welcome to the AMTA National Convention. This is the poster session at the National Convention, and I'm Mike Hamm. I'm a trustee with the Massage Therapy Foundation. This is Jerrilyn Cambron, also a trustee with the foundation and the outgoing chair of the poster session work group. This is Kim Goral, who is a teacher here at this year's foundation, and she's teaching a class on how to make poster sessions for regular massage therapists who would like to submit posters.
Just for use in their practices.
Just for use in your practices. So welcome to the poster session. And what we have behind us here are a variety of different research posters submitted by massage therapists and massage researchers in the US and Canada. We've got examples of clinical case reports, that is, reports from clinical practice. We've got research reviews, that is, folks who are trying to aggregate what's out there and make sense of it for the regular massage therapist. And we've also got basic research. We've got surveys of what people are experiencing in their practice, and we've got a whole bunch of the latest and the greatest evidence and experience that's in our profession made apparent for folks here at the AMTA Convention. So I just want to ask you guys, as complete experts in the field of poster session researchers. First of all, Jerrilyn, you're the outgoing chair of this work group. What is the deal with research posters, and what is the value offered to massage therapists who are here at the National Convention?
The Massage Therapy Foundation is helping the AMTA by encouraging people to write research posters and submit them for possible showing at the convention. And we really have three different categories. The first, obviously, is research, like Mike was talking about. We are looking for researchers in the field of massage therapy to present their work at the poster session. The second kind is case reports, and so any massage therapist that's in the field that's interested in writing up an interesting case that they might have seen, we ask that they write up the poster and submit it, and we will take a look at it and decide which ones are the best that we would like to have come to convention. The third type of research poster is actually educational research. So we encourage the educators to bring any type of education research that they've done in the field in their schools, such as if they've changed something programmatically and they have any types of outcomes that they can present at the posters. So really we're trying to cover all of the different types of people that might come to convention, the researchers, the clinicians in the field, the educators, so that they can all get educated in a little bit in different areas through the posters.
Very cool. And this is something where people can submit a poster, submit an abstract for a poster, and then once they've posted it here, they can take the poster back, put it up at their local school or their local practice, and really make use of those posters as long as they want to. Yeah.
We definitely encourage that. We want people to take it back and let people know that they came to AMTA, that they presented the poster here. We really want them to get the recognition for having a poster accepted for AMTA.
Very exciting. And so Kim, so I have a question for you, because this afternoon, in what, an hour from now?
About an hour.
You are teaching a workshop on how to compose these kinds of posters. So if I wanted to make the perfect research poster, if I wanted to make a poster that was informative, that was engaging, that I could just walk up to and immediately start understanding what was going on, what would I do?
Well, one of the things, you want to pick 2 or 3 things to focus on. You don't want to focus on everything, because obviously you're not going to include everything from your research paper if you wrote one. So good visuals are probably the first priority. You want to have visuals that explain what you did, so any outcomes, looking at your results of your study. You want to make sure that it's clear, have some white space. You don't want it to be too busy. You want it to be nice and visually appealing, so that somebody goes up and they look at it, they don't get overwhelmed, it's informative. And make sure to pay attention to your audience. Who are you making this poster for? So at a massage convention where there aren't a lot of researchers here, you want to make sure that it's going to be easy enough to understand for everybody that's going to be looking at it.
Cool. So thank you guys for that overview, and we're going to take a look at a couple of specific posters, of which both Jerrilyn and I have some posters here, and which we're very excited to talk about. But let's take a look at some specific posters, and thanks for listening.